when you gain business for the future, you don't have to worry about even prospecting. That's why for me personally, after 2 years of hitting it hard, I didn't have to knock anymore. I didn't have to prospect. And I can still sell $30 million a year in real estate. Real estate agents, this is an important topic about money. All of us like to make a lot of money. But the fact of the matter is, when we talk about lead generation, there are so many people that are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars a year to make $200,000 a year. Now, a lot of you look at those numbers and you're like, oh my gosh, if I could spend $100,000 and make $100,000, that might be worth it. Here to tell you, it is not worth it, folks. And why do I say it's not worth it? Because a lot of you are in the facts that, hey, if I can just keep getting leads and I can close them, I'm gonna be on the win. Well, that is not the case, folks. You are not winning. I talk to agents that are still in business, still fishing per se. They're making great money, but still having to put in tons and tons of hours to close deals. Why? Because they haven't built up that repeat and referral client base. Where does that come from? It does not come from a lead, folks. You've got to come by winning personalities. You've got to come and get in front of people, help them make huge decisions that they probably wouldn't have made, and help change their life. When you can do that and you're getting to know them through the buy and the sell, you build a relationship. And through that relationship, they then start referring clients to you. So how does this all start? It doesn't start from Zillow calling in and say, hey, I've got a customer on the other line that wants to know more about this property, okay? From my experience, and I did this with a bunch of lead generation sources and spent $10,000 to $20,000 testing it to see if it would be a good thing for my agents to do. And you'd be blown away at the results. And I even paid the expensive leads where it was the live phone call lead where they talked to the lead, they qualified the lead. I got real estate agents that wanted to know about a house. I got another house where they wanted to see the house. I got on the phone with them. I got the information. They were ready to roll with me. So I scheduled the addresses like, I'll meet you over there. Guess what? I get there and the house had been, and I'm looking it up on my phone as I'm driving to get in there. And the house is already sold and had been for months. These clients were ticked because they feel like I bait and switched them. When in reality, I just trusted the fact that they wanted to see a house within 30 minutes. I was close. They were close, and it was, Zillow was saying it was active, let's do this. And they were ticked. So between all of the problems you go through with leads, be the one that meets them, be the one that's in charge of first impression, be the one that's in charge of their experience moving forward through your showing assistance, through your administrative assistance, through your skill level and your knowledge of the transaction, where the real estate market's going, where it's going to be in the near future. And guess what the cost is? Zero, folks. As you go door to door, it's gonna cost you absolutely nothing to get out there, let that sun beat on you a little bit, let you sweat a little bit, let you freeze a little bit in the winter. But guys, the expenses are nothing. And when you get into that, and all you have to do is just put the hard work in to reap the benefit, you're not splitting it. And not only that, you're not expecting on somebody else to send you a lead. What happens when the lead generation sources dry up and they leave you hanging going, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Like for instance, right now, buyer agents should be crazy nervous with commissions and all the other structures that are happening. They should be crazy nervous if they don't know how to go out and generate a listing. So as you look at the near future, as real estate evolves and starts moving forward, are you prepared? Do you have the training? Or have you been in a program where you're getting leads and you really don't know what else to do but call the leads that you're given, the ones they set in front of your plate? And guys, if you're doing that, stop it right now. Stop it and go out and start generating your own business, learning how to sell, learning how to find clients that are ready to move forward and transact with you, but not only with you on this transaction, but the next one and the next one and the next one. Because you will build rapport with those clients. You'll earn their trust. You'll be able to overcome their objections. You'll be able to do all the follow-up systems you need to. And because you had that face-to-face interaction, that is when you're going to start gaining business for the future. And when you gain business for the future, you don't have to worry about even prospecting. That's why for me personally, after 2 years of hitting it hard, I didn't have to knock anymore. I didn't have to prospect. And I could still sell $30 million a year in real estate. Comment below. Let me know what your experience has been with leads and why you've had a great time with door knocking. If you've done it, if you haven't door knocking, get out and door knock and then post. Make sure you subscribe and watch this content because we can help you get to where you need to be. Have a great day, guys.